Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to BrighterMonday job portal Kenya. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in BrighterMonday. Go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link saying log into your account. BrighterMonday accepts all cookies. Here you can either continue with Google, LinkedIn, or you can continue with your email address along with your password. If you wish to continue with your email and password, simply enter your email and password, hit keep me logged in and then log in. If you do not have an account, simply hit sign up. Here you can sign up as an employer or a job seeker. For now, I'm going to be signing up as a job seeker. Here you'll have to enter your information like your first name, last name, email address, create a password, agree to the terms and conditions, hit create your account, and then after you have created your account, you can log into your account. While creating your account, you can also create your account with Google or LinkedIn. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.